Hello, my name's Teena Crawford. I'm a botanical guide and my area of expertise is in relation to plants, gardens and the use of plants and nurturing plants in gardens. The style of gardens in Italy actually resonate with people so well. Fountains, sculptures, ordered plantings. Many of the gardens originate from ancient Roman times and have always been a big feature in life through the Renaissance, through the 20th century and in today, the 21st century. They contain interesting plants, Mediterranean plants, many of them which resonate with us and many of us grow them in our own gardens. You will see Italian cypress pine, you will see lavender, you'll see roses, you'll see citrus, olive trees. Italian gardens are known for their structure. They're known for their formality, their ordered lines. They're known for their sculptures and their fountains and moving water. Sometimes people think of Italian garden, olive trees, cypress trees, box hedging, no flowers, but actually Italian gardens can be very colourful as well. You will see bougainvillea, you will see roses, you'll see the most romantic peony roses, which we all love, in the most gorgeous shades of pink, lemon, apricot and red. In Croatia, the type of gardens and scenery that we see varies a little bit. We're still in the Mediterranean, but here in Croatia, hotter, drier. Great time to see the wildflowers, but also on the island of Hvar, we go and visit the lavender farm and we see the fields of lavender. They'll be coming into flower. We'll learn about lavender oil production. It's one of the peak areas in the world for producing lavender oil and lavender products. The tour is so great because firstly we travel by land, but then we travel by boat. Lady Eleganza, we cruise the Croatian coast and we unpack once. And each morning we wake up in a new town, in a new area to explore. And during the day we go out touring, and in the evening you have a chance to explore the local town, the local restaurants, and really absorb yourself in the local atmosphere.